Have you ever wondered what determines the strength and quality of a spot weld? It's all about the nugget. Nugget diameter, the key to strong spot welds. Welcome to CAD Solutions Institute, where we break down complex engineering concepts into easy-to-understand terms. Today, we're exploring the crucial aspect of spot welding, nugget diameter. The nugget is the fused area created at the interface of two metals during spot welding. Its diameter is a critical factor in determining the weld's strength and reliability. Several factors influence the nugget diameter, including current. Higher current generally leads to a larger nugget. Pressure. Increased pressure can result in a larger nugget. Time. Longer welding time can produce a larger nugget. Electrode shape and size. The geometry of the electrodes can affect nugget formation. Metal properties. The types and thicknesses of the metals being welded play a role. Importance of nugget diameter. A properly formed nugget is essential for a strong and reliable spot. Weld. A nugget that is too small may not provide sufficient strength, while a nugget that is too large can lead to excessive heat and potential damage to the surrounding material. Controlling nugget diameter. By carefully controlling the factors that influence nugget diameter, engineers can ensure the quality and consistency of spot welds. This involves selecting appropriate welding parameters and using proper equipment. Conclusion: understanding nugget diameter is crucial for anyone involved in spot welding. At CAD Solutions Institute, we offer comprehensive training programs to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in this field. Join us to learn more about spot welding and other essential engineering concepts. Enroll in our BIW welding fixture course today. Visit our website or contact us to learn more about our training programs.